Hello and welcome to Bandung Talent Source English for Presentation Online. In this session, we are going to discuss how to organize a presentation. Making a good organization of your presentation will help you to remember what you need to explain, and at the same time will help the audience to remember and understand what you are talking about. It will also help you to keep the point and reduce your nervousness. At the beginning of the presentation, there are things that you need to consider. Number one is capturing the audience interest. This is very important. This can be done by relating the subject with the audience background knowledge, mentioning general issues related to your talk, or you can talk about current issues in the newspaper, in the TV program, and the most popular one, you can talk about food. But again, you have to keep it brief. Then, you need to give a clear purpose of your presentation, which is not easy for some people. When necessary, put your purpose of your presentation in your PowerPoint with large and clear font. And last but not least, be brief in your explanation. Give necessary explanation and do not carried away by giving long examples. In the middle of the presentation, which is the most important part of your presentation, try to give 3 to 4 main points. This is very important because normally the audience is unlikely to remember more than 4 points. Detailed example, detailed explanation, additional point can be covered in your handout. A good presentation should draw out significant point for the audience. Therefore, you need to analyze what the audience expect from you. In many cases, detailed explanation will be covered in the question and answer session. You can allocate around 80% of your time for the middle part of the presentation. The rest of the time could be for the beginning and the end. In delivering your main point, do not forget to use signposting to show the transition from one idea to another. You can use words like firstly, secondly, next I will, or phrases like before moving on to my second point, I would like to, and so on and so on. Ending. At the end of your presentation, do not forget to summarize your talk and relate the conclusion to your main points. This is very important since participants usually remember the examples that you use in your presentation, or will remember jokes or other things while listening to your presentation. Bear in mind that you should not present new ideas in this part. Finally, make sure that you have an interesting and brief ending. Thank you.